So welcome back to the channel. Okay, this is just day 2 taking the iFlight CineFlow 5 with the DJI O4 air unit out for a spin. Different location than the other day. Yesterday I was down at the beach. Today I'm just in this open area. We're going to fly. It's a little windier today, probably 7-8 miles per hour. And the only thing I had to do that I noticed I didn't like, I had to adjust my camera up a little bit to give it a nice better angle. But other than that, really enjoying this quad. So let's take it out for another spin. Of course, I gotta fire up my goggles again. Okay, this time, unlike yesterday, I'm gonna shoot 16:9 aspect ratio. Yesterday, I had it 4:3. There it goes. And these goggles, I can just tell you, these goggles are really, really comfortable. Really comfortable goggles. All right, you all set here? All right, let's go. All right. It's a little bit of a breeze today, not too bad. And what I also noticed, that's better. That camera angle's better. I had it too low before. And what I'm noticing is this quad doesn't take a lot of throttle to get it up in the air. iFlight has a statement on their website. I think it says something like 17% throttle. Wasn't sure what that meant, but as I fly this, I'm starting to get a feel for, I think what they're saying is, in order for this to take off and actually maintain airspeed, it doesn't take a lot of throttle. It takes very little throttle to keep this thing up in the air. So your throttle management, oops, people over there. Throttle management is minimum on this quad. You'll notice that if you fly other quads as well. Takes a minute. Takes a minute or two to feel it. This is a lot better. This is better today. The camera angle was off a little bit yesterday. I feel like today I got it dialed in a little bit better for how I like to fly. Try to stay away from these people. Oop, a little close there. Ooh, touch that a little bit. That's not good. Little straggler. Those little straggler branches will get you every time, right? They creep up on you a little bit. Do a little flyby here. Yeah, this is just a nice quad to fly. I mentioned it in yesterday's video, to mention it again today. It sounds nice, it handles nice. Picture quality is really nice with the goggles 3. It's a little light wind today. Nothing crazy. But yeah, this one's a joy. Easy there. Coming by. And I was flying the 4S batteries before. I should have made the move to the 6S sooner. Just nicer to get a little more fly time. baseball diamond over here. What else we got? Get a little more air on this guy. Little flyby. Just, yeah, nice. Nice fun quad, right? Take a little peek behind out here, see what's over there. Yeah, so I said it in yesterday's video, I'll say it again in today's video. If you're looking for a nice 5-inch quad in 2025, I don't think you'll go wrong with this guy. I think this fits a lot of people's needs. Let's bring it in for landing. Hang on 1 second. Yep, I'm coming. I see you. I see you. Let's bring it. All right, so that's it for this video. Hope you got some value out of it. As you could see toward the end there, the park ranger showed up. Not unexpected, not the first time it's happened to me, probably won't be the last. We know the rules. Sometimes we take our chances and see what happens, roll the dice. But fine interaction with the park ranger. I don't have any problems with these guys. Just be respectful. They're respectful back. Never a problem. So don't read too much into that one. But again, the iFlight CineFlow 5, really, really nice quad. Make sure you get that camera angle up a little bit more than, what the default settings are. I find it very, just a beautiful quad to fly. The SD card over on the side here, the way the air unit's mounted, it's in the front, really accessible. You can get in and out of there really, really easy, which I really like. No problem at all taking that SD card out. Love the dual antennas. And the sound on this, the pitch, in my opinion, top notch. I like the way it sounds. It's not too loud. And it actually just sounds smooth, if that's a term I can use for an FPV. It just sounds nice. Nothing else I can say. I didn't have any ND filters on this run, just so you know. This was just run bare bones auto D-Log M, and then I just used the DJI LUT as I put in the comments there. You'll see that to convert the footage to Rec 709, not a big deal. That's it for this video. If you got any value out of it, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care.